Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm happy to share some of my experiences with chiropractic care in Dr. Tim Harrigan's office. I've been seeing Dr. Tim for about 5 years, and I first started coming with a problem with my hip. I had really bad hip pain. And so I visited his office after we moved to Arizona. The adjustments that he gave and through the chiropractic care, all that pain is gone. One of the things that he recommended that I'm still using today is the orthotics in my shoes, which has really helped my balance and really taken almost all the pain away. Still get some tightness from time to time, probably from playing too much golf, but every time I come in the office, he takes care of that. Some of the other things that I've learned in the office and have had experiences with is cellular detox. And that program has been wonderful as far as nutrition goes. I haven't always been the best eater, and through learning about the program and going through the detox program and changing some habits in the way I eat, I've been able to lose about 20 pounds and come off blood pressure medicine that a doctor had put me on for high blood pressure. And so that has been terrific. I would just highly recommend chiropractic care. Overall health is so much better after 5 years of care than where I was 5 years ago, and I'm so happy to continue the care.